Okay, hello friends. I am the current student of AD Sir Easy English Spoken Class Telhara, and today I have a round that is called the family. So firstly, I want to tell you the what is meaning of family in our life, or what is the role implement in our life about our family. So we know that lot of persons live together with each other. They share their problems with each other. They share their happiness with each other. That is called the family. This is the definition of family according to me. We know that there are the two types of family. First is a single family, second is a joint family. Both benefits are same, or some would not same, but those both are very important to living our life goodly and betterly. So my family is the joint family, and I want to put forward my information about my family. So in my family there are six members are living together, share their problems, share their happiness with each other, and anytime they are stable stand for each other. So first is my grandfather, second is my grandmother, and third is my father, fourth is my mother, fifth is me, and sixth is my brother who is young. And I want to tell you firstly about my grandfather. He is very good person according to me in my life. We know that in everyone person life there are a grandparents are very important, because they giving them a experience of their life, and those experience we can implement in our life, because the situations can change in our life, but the experience can't change in our life, and those experience are very important, but we can't get from our friends, from our parents also, but we can get from our grandparents. So the importance of grandparents in our life, this is very important. And my grandfather is very important for me, because he is the very good reason for my happiness. He is always doing those things which can give me a happiness, one type of happiness. He has a lot of means he faced a lot of struggle in his life, but that's why also he is very successful person. He is very successful person in their life. And second is my grandmother. He's means the grandmother role in our life there is very important for the cooking, because we know that sometimes we don't like our mother cooking, but our grandmother cooking is very nice. And according to me, my grandmother nature is somewhat angry but somewhat good also. And we can means she is always time support to me in any one work which I want to like that. So I like my grandmother, and she is a housewife, as well as she is a housemaker of my family. Third is my father. We know that the father role in our life, which is very important, means the father is the base of our life, because we don't know means who are the orphans child. They know the meaning of the parents of their life. So if we have a parents, if we have a father, if we have mother, so we should take care of them, or we should support them, we should respect them. That is my thinking about my father. I want to make proud in their eyes always time, that I want to do those type of works in my life. Means I can't do those works which my father don't like in their life. So my father is really and really important for my life. My father is a businessman also, as well as he is a good farmer also. He is doing a lot of work in his life, or he is a very hard worker person according to me. He's lot of love for me. He's always means he know that what is the means if I am sad, then in 1 second they know that why I am sad, or they told me that time why you are sad. So that is knowing thing my father knows that, and I respect that, and I want to proud them. So that's time I will do those things which are good for my family, for the society. Or my father always telling about me in front of their friends, in front of society, that sentences is that my girl doing a very good work in his life, in her life, and she is very good for my child, or she is very good girl for myself. That I want to proud them. And second is my mother. And we know that the mother role in our life, mother is that thing, means we can't express those feelings about our mother. Means the role of our mother, she give the birth to us. She give a take care of us. She is the first teacher of our life. She is every first moment we share with our mother. Means more ninth month we are living with our mother, those we can't share with anyone person who is living in the world. But the 9 months of extra months, those we living with our mother, so those relation is very good. The blood relation of our mother means 80% relation with our mother we share. So that's time our mother is very important for us. My mother is not only the housewife but also the housemaker. Housemaker means she is doing a very good house for us, means she is doing her work very goodly. She is very educated, but somewhat problems she can't achieve her goal. But she always tell me that you should complete your goals, you should complete your dreams, because every time if you can't complete your dreams, so anyone can't respect to you. But when you are complete your dream, then everyone can respect you. That's why you should complete your dreams. And every time, and who will I am in my future, just because of first hand of this is my mother, because she is always support me in any one thing. She is always understand me, whichever I am wrong, I am right. So that's why her role in my life is very incredible. I can't share with you, means those feelings are very important for my life. And next is my brother who is young, who is younger. But I means about him, what I tell you, that I don't like him about his behavior, because his behavior is not good with anyone. Means it's okay that he is not mature person, but he has to mature for the world, for the society, for the family, because he is 18 plus, but he don't know about his responsibility. So I don't like him. But definitely one day will come back, that day in flash he change his behavior about the family, about the society. But I want to wait those days, because my parents, means everyone parents hope about his child, that is only that he respect to his parents. He has to doing those things which are good for the family. But somewhat my brother doing the mistake, but it's okay, he is also good. His nature is somewhat mistakable, but somewhat he is very good person for me. He is also means he is quarreling with me, but this is the necessary thing with the brother or with the sister. And finally is me. My name is Shreya Sontakke, and now this time I'll completed my graduation, and I am doing the MPSC, and I want to crack the government job. But we know that my first dream is means my second dream is to means the complete my government job or crack the government job. But first I want to achieve in my life that my parents proud about me. And when in future I am sleeping, that time I am satisfied from my life which I doing in my life, that I want to achieve. The happiness means the happiness, or we are wealthy. This is not important according to my words. According to me, the satisfaction is important for myself. If we have no lot of money, this is not a necessary thing. But we have a good person in around us, with around us, and we have always time of family support. Our parents are happy from our life, and they are choosing our life, because we give them right to choose our life, to our future. So definitely that my first dream, to proud my parents, to choose my future about my parents. So this is my dream. But next dream, to achieve my goal, that is the MPSC exam. Definitely I will do my hard work, smart work. But this is the destiny. What is happened I don't know. But anyone thing happened, anyone thing not happens with me, or I can't crack the exam, but definitely I am the good person, will be making this for the society, and will be a successful person. And that I know, because sometimes your education can't support you, but your skill can support you. And my skill I know that, and I will put forward my skill in front of the society, and definitely I will be a successful person. I must be the successful person in future. And next is that I have about my hobbies. I want to tell you that I have means I want to achieve a spiritual knowledge, a lot of spiritual knowledge in my life, because I like to know the spiritual knowledge. And one is the biggest books in my life, that is the Srimad Bhagavad Gita. So I read always time or daily 5 shlokas of Bhagavad Gita. So those book give me any one type of solution in my life, and this book give me in my life, I know that just because of that that book's role in my life, as like my parents, as like my teachers, as like my mother. So that's why I like that book. This is my hobby to read it. And we know that okay, I'll turn my topic about the family. So this is the information about my family which I telling in front of you. This is the round. And we know that we should always respect to our family, we should always support to our family, because our family means only give you, your family only give you. You should also take this all things, and you should also give them somewhat things, so definitely they will be happy. And you should always think, or you should always doing those things which are giving you your family the happiness. So this is my family round, which is I will put forward in front of you. So thank you. Please share, subscribe and like our channel if you like it. Thank you.